Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you all how to make very simple down-home southern banana pudding. Here's what you'll need. You'll need 1 box of vanilla wafers, you'll need whole milk, fresh bananas, Cool Whip, and you will also need pre-packaged pudding. And now I have 1 vanilla and I have 2 banana creams, okay? And for each package, we're going to use 2 cups of cold milk. Now, the first thing that we need to do, let me zoom in a little bit on this bowl. First thing that we need to do is we're going to go ahead and open up one of the packages of pudding. And this pudding is very simple to make. Open up. That's the vanilla. Then we'll put a banana cream in here. I like to mix the two together. It gives it a really nice flavor. All right. Let's see, I was going to do 2. We'll go ahead and do the 3 in this bowl, okay? I was going to do the third one separate, but I think we have enough room. So let's go ahead. We have the 2 banana cream puddings and 1 vanilla cream and 1 vanilla. For each box, we're going to measure out 2 cups of cold milk. Here's 2. There we go. Here's 4. And there is 6. I'm using whole milk today. You're more than welcome to use 2%. Whatever kind of milk you want to use, just as long as it's cold. All right, now let me go ahead and get my blender. Alright, let's go ahead and blend this up. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn the video on pause because this blender will make some noise, and I'll be right back. Okay everyone, I'm almost done mixing. Awesome, I'm all done mixing. That it didn't take but 5 minutes to mix it up well. Mix it up well, and if you use a mixer like I did, make sure you put it on a low setting. If you use a wire whisk, I suggest whisking it for about 8 minutes. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to go in with the rubber spatula, and we want to get the sides and make sure that you've got all of the dry mixture. Okay, we're going to put this in the refrigerator for about 25 minutes. And after 25 minutes, this will set up. Well, let me show you. Look how thick it's starting to get already. In about 25 minutes in that refrigerator, this will set up nice for you. After 25 minutes, I'll be back and we'll assemble this beautiful banana pudding. Be right back, guys. Okay everyone, while our banana pudding sets up in the refrigerator, we're going to go ahead and start to layer our vanilla wafers in our pan. This is the pan that I'm going to use today. Vanilla wafers. Just layer them, just like so, in the bottom. And then I'll show you next what we're going to do with our bananas. This is a very simple recipe. This is an old recipe, southern recipe that everyone loves. Like, who doesn't like banana pudding? Who doesn't like bananas? Who doesn't love vanilla wafers? Okay, just like this. And take your time to put them in lines like this. Don't just throw them in there. You want it to look beautiful when we dip it up. Okay, just like so. All right, just like this. Now let's set this aside. That's our first layer. We need to go ahead and grab bananas. Let's go ahead and start out with 3. What we're going to do is just simply peel these, and then we're going to get them cut up into slices. And these slices are going to go right on top of the vanilla wafers. And that's what gives banana pudding the outrageous flavor. Those fresh bananas with those vanilla wafers, when you put those together, oh my goodness, it's like heaven. Okay, let me get a knife and just cut them just like so. Let me zoom in a little bit on my bananas. And we're just going to cut them just like so. Nothing hard. Just regular slices. About, here's the thickness. All right, next. Excuse me. What we're going to do, we're going to incorporate our bananas on top of each wafer, just like so, so that when we dip out this banana pudding, every bite will have a piece of banana. Like, this is a no stress recipe. No worries. Everyone likes it. Adults love it. Kids love it. You can't go wrong. Just like so. Okay. I'm going to continue to do this. Here in about 15 more minutes, our pudding will be ready. Just like this, everyone. Okay, pudding's almost done, and I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, it's been 25 minutes, and our beautiful banana vanilla pudding has set. Let me show you what it looks like. All set up. There it is right there. Nice and thick, just how we want it. Okay, and now back over to our vanilla wafer and sliced banana mixture. Here's what we're going to do. Now, we're going to go ahead and incorporate our vanilla banana cream pudding right on top. Just like so. Nothing hard. Just put dollops. Just like this. It smells so good. It smells just like bananas. Oh, look at that. Okay, isn't that beautiful? Now, we're going to go in over here, grab our Cool Whip. Let me move the camera real quick. Awesome. Okay, now we have Cool Whip. That's our second layer. Don't use all of it on this one because we're going to use more. Okay? And just kind of dollop it, same manner. Okay? You want to make sure your Cool Whip is not frozen, okay? Just like so. Once you get it on here, just kind of smooth it out as much as you can. You won't be able to smooth it out perfectly, but just however you can. Okay? Just like so. All right. Awesome. Now the rest of this is for the top. Okay? So we'll keep this, put it in the refrigerator. All right. Time for more vanilla wafers. And we're just going to layer those the exact same way that we did the bottom. And then bananas next. Now normally, if I'm making this for my family, I put this in a glass dish, okay? And then you can actually see the beautiful layers. But since I'm making this for someone, I'm making this for my cousin, I wanted to do the aluminum foil to go baking dish. That way I don't have to give my glass container away. There we go. Look at this. This is just what we're wanting. Awesome. Now, bananas. Back with these beautiful bananas. And make sure you don't cut your bananas too far ahead of time. Okay, because if you do, the bananas, when you cut bananas too early, what will happen is when bananas get air, they'll get what you call oxidized, and they'll start to turn a little brown. So you make sure you cut the bananas while you're making your pudding, not too early. And just layer it like so. Same way. And these bananas will let off the most beautiful flavor as it sits. Give it a good 24 hours, guys, and this banana will perfume this whole dish. It's just beautiful. Very fresh tasting, not too sweet. Just like so. Okay? Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful already, right? We're not even done. Okay. Now, back in with this beautiful, beautiful banana vanilla pudding. And just dollop it just like so. Same procedure. And it doesn't have to be perfect on here, okay? Because you don't want to smear it too much because you'll mess up your beautiful layers that you have in there, okay? Just like this. You know, they really came up with a good thing when they invented instant pudding. Because I would not ever make a homemade pudding ever again. Years ago, I used to make homemade pudding. But when they came out with this, what better way to make a pudding? So simple and always delicious. When you think about, I think the name brand is Jello for the pudding. Look at this. This right here is awesome. Exactly what you're needing. Okay. Now, let's get our Cool Whip out. Well, no. I'm sorry. We're not going to do Cool Whip. We're getting ready to do bananas. This layer right here is a little different. Let's get a flat banana. There we go. This is our last layer. All right? Such a beautiful dessert. I can't wait till my cousin sinks his teeth down into this. Him and his family will absolutely love this banana pudding. Whoops. Just like so. There we go. Okay, now for our Cool Whip. Just dollop what you have left on top. Let it fall where it falls. Just like so. You only have a little bit of Cool Whip left, so you just kind of dollop it here and there. Awesome. And then on top, we're going to put these beautiful vanilla wafers. Vanilla wafers is one of my dad's favorite cookies. We always had a box of vanilla wafers in our house. We always had pretzel rods and vanilla wafers. There we go. Look at this. Awesome. We're almost done. Beautiful. I had just enough Cool Whip. Perfect. Let's cover that banana. Just like so. And then we're going to layer the cookies. Guys, give this a try. Give this recipe a try. It's so simple. Get the kids in the kitchen with you. Let them make it. It's so easy. Kids can make this. Would you look at that? Isn't that beautiful? Okay, now, here's what we're going to do next. Vanilla wafers. Right on top. You can't go wrong. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. I'm always making something fun, something good, something tasty, something fast and easy to make in this kitchen. And we have a lot of fun. I usually make my childhood memory recipes. And I also make new recipes that I've came up throughout the years. Look at this, guys. And look, we're at the bottom of the bag. I had just the perfect amount of Cool Whip, just the perfect amount of bananas. Now I use 7 bananas, okay? And we'll stick that on the side. We have a couple extra left. Look at this. If you have any crumbs like I do here, go ahead and take those crumbs and you just do this. Okay? Look at that. Take those crumbs right out the bottom and you sprinkle them on there. Okay? Let me zoom in a little bit. Isn't this beautiful? Just like so. This is one beautiful dish. Almost done with the crumbs here. Awesome. And as always, God bless. Have a great night, and thank you so much for watching.